Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve uh, a simple quiz which is related to also palm task and BODMAS method. And this is very simple. You can solve by yourself and give me the answer in the comment box so I can see like if your answer is correct or not. Now we have multiple questions which is related to the off. Like if you have expression is off, so now I think you have no like what is the meaning of off. So we will solve this quiz, and after that we will find out which the correct answer in this list. So now let's start the topic. Before starting that topic, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. So here we have the quiz. Here we will apply the PAMDAS and BODMAS method, and you can see like if you are PAMDAS using, so you can apply same method like BODMAS or PAMDAS. We can recap like PAMDAS is basically commonly used in USA and the BODMAS commonly used in UK. So we have similar meaning like parenthesis in the PAMDAS and B for bracket, and you can say like round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. Exponent we have the x raised to power x squared, and root multiplication and division have the same precedence, and also the addition and subtraction also have same precedence, but it depends on which is coming first. So as per rule, we will solve this expression. Now let's start the topic. We will go left to right and see like which one will be solved first. So as per rule, we will solve this part first. And here we have the off means multiply, and 5 divided by 5 plus 3. So off is implies that multiplication here. Now we will solve this part. So we will see 2 5s are 10 here, divided by 5 plus 3. Here we did multiplication. Again, we will go left to right. And here we have 10 divided by 5, which means 2 plus 3. So here we give the division. And in the end, we have left to right and add both of them. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer of this expression is 5. So this is very simple. As you can see, like we solve very quickly. And if you see the answer in the list, so we have the answer A is correct. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this quiz very quickly using PAMDAS and BODMAS method. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.